This is the external pacemaker, and these are the ports for the output. You can see, and this is the physical structure. So in this is the on button, and then there are knobs for changing the values. With the knob you can change the values, and you can see the animation on the LCD. Then here are some operational buttons. From you can enter the values and then select up and down button for changing the values. This is for the navigation. Yeah, here are the all the parameters: A sensitivity, V sensitivity, AV intervals. From up and down button you can scroll this, and by entering you can change the required parameter. And there is a scroll button, black color scroll button. With this knob you can change the values. See, the values are changing up, down. You can once increase or decrease the values. Here after setting you can just press the enter button, and then again you can go to back to the menu. Here you can say atrial and ventricle values, and this is the rate. This is the output of atrial. A is for atrial and V is for ventricle. So here all parameters and all the data is displayed over here. You can see milliamperes, then battery status. So, and this is the log function. So all the keys will be logged if that key is pressed, and these values which you are showing, this will be logged. Whereas in the right side you will get all the controls, here all the controls, and left side all the display parameter.